Meaning of diabolically.
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 Diabolically. Diabolically means in a way that is extremely wicked or evil. When something is done diabolically, it is intended to cause great harm, suffering, or destruction. The result of a diabolical action can be catastrophic and devastating, leaving behind a trail of devastation, pain, and chaos. This term is often used to describe the actions of individuals or groups who go to great lengths to achieve their goals, regardless of the impact on others or society as a whole. In short, a diabolical act is an unscrupulous and immoral action that has terrible consequences.